So Farringdon Station is right at the heart of the city and is the interface between the North-South Thameslink line and the East-Wales Crossrail, which is under construction. It also has interfaces with the London Underground, and it gives access from Farringdon directly to 3 of London's airports, to the south to Gatwick, to the north to Luton, and then using Crossrail directly into Heathrow. So it's a very busy place in terms of trains. There are going to be 140 trains per hour going through the station. There's very little space to dig holes in the ground to build the station. So it's designed such that the 2 ticket halls at each end of the station are built from the ground level, but the main station, its platforms and things, are built from below grounds. They're actually underneath Smithfield Market. One of the aspects that we were able to bring into Farringdon Station was to find a way of making those with reduced mobility take the same route in and out of the East Ticket Hall as everybody else. Normally in an underground station, if you want to use a lift, you go down some dark corridor to find a lift a long way away from everybody else, and all your friends go up the escalators. But at Farringdon, we've put an inclined lift which runs up the side of the escalators so that those with reduced mobility and everybody else goes exactly the same route, and that makes people more included. So we've had to be very careful in terms of the construction of the station itself, not to damage either the market or the surrounding buildings. And we've also had to try and minimise, wherever possible, the buildings that we've had to acquire in order to build the 2 ticket halls, which are one at either end of the station. Our design of the West Ticket Hall had to allow for the fact that Thameslink was being extended at the time we were doing our design. We had to work closely with the designers and the contractors for Thameslink at Farringdon in order to make sure that our design for Crossrail at Farringdon interfaced carefully with it, and that the 2 schemes would work together to create one combined ticket hall. One of the main challenges of any design of underground railway station is looking for value. And our client, Crossrail Limited, were very keen on value engineering processes. At Farringdon, there were lots of small ideas. No one big overriding idea making all the savings, but lots of smaller ideas in terms of improvements of methods of construction, layout of the station, various small savings. But in the end, throughout the design process, we managed to reduce the construction cost substantially by about 15%.